Drop chains. Have you ever faced this issue? It seems like a hassle, but it's an easy fix. Drops can slip over for many reasons, including poor shifting, too long chain, and a worn out chain. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me, Arvind from Bicyclekart. In this video, I will take you through a complete and quick process on how to fix a drop chain.
Put on gloves before touching your chains. It helps you fix this issue without getting greasy hands. Chain drops typically occur when your chain slips off the front smaller chainring and snags between the bottom bracket and that chainring. To start, just push your rear derailleur forward. It will help make your chain loose like this. Set your derailleurs to the smallest cog at the back. After that, place the drop chain on the chainring in front. Now release the rear derailleur and lift your back wheel. Turn your pedals manually until the chain is fully set. Before starting pedaling, inspect your chain. Replace if you see any damaged, bent or rusty links. Also, check if you have got any bent chainring teeth. Replace it immediately.
So friends, that's it. Hope this helps you to get out of trouble and get back on a bike quickly. If you have any tips and tricks that we need to add on, let us know in the comments below. Until we meet in the next video, this is me, Arvind from Bicyclekart, signing off.